The features of the Timothy Program International Curriculum are multiple. We believe, first of all, that students should not just gain intellectual understanding about the Bible, but that the students who are learning distance learning, who are learning not in a campus setting or in a classroom, that they maintain spiritual growth diaries. So we have diaries provided for each of the students, 6 of them, and it's simply a feature of the curriculum that you must complete these diaries and turn them in with the examination. Otherwise, no credit is given. At the conclusion of each quarter, there's a second feature called Value Added. We want the student to write a 2,500-word paper, 4 pages, maybe 5, to tell us what value has been added to their life. What did they learn that changed them and moved them in a closer walk with the Lord? A third feature is that to reinforce learning, each student is required to teach each lesson to their spouse. In fact, at the close of the quarter, the spouse must sign a document and grade their spouse on the way and the ability that they taught the lessons. In other words, a spouse must confirm that the student taught them, the children, the wife, the husband, the lessons. Why do we ask this feature in our Timothy program curriculum? Why do we ask this of the students? Because you can only learn what you are able to teach. So teaching the lessons done in outline form reinforces learning. The second requirement about teaching these lessons, they must be taught before a group. And after each lesson is taught, some person in authority listening to the lesson must sign and date that form saying that the student had taught that lesson and taught it well. So why do we ask them to teach it twice? Because of Deuteronomy chapter 17 and chapter 19, which says, "In the mouth of 2 or 3 witnesses, a matter is established." So when a student teaches each lesson twice, studies the lesson plan, watches the DVDs, then they are fully prepared to pass a 100-question multiple choice examination. We have found that these features have really encouraged and improved the spiritual life and the leaders that come into the church worldwide. We ask that our students finally follow another feature that is extremely important. We believe that Psalm 119 verse 11 says, "Thy word have I hid in my heart, that I might not sin against thee." Therefore, scripture memorization is a feature inside the TPI curriculum. We ask even test questions concerning the memory verses. So, in the exams, they will have to answer questions about geography. There'll be maps. They have to answer questions about scripture, history, culture, and they will have to answer questions about important Bible words found in Hebrew and in Greek. So these are the features that separate the Timothy program curriculum apart from all other curriculums in the world.